Good morning, everyone. I am Shakira Mayamabo from BSIT 1B. For today, we will present the three types of loops. First, the for loop. Second, the while loop. And the third is do while loop. For loop. A for loop is a control structure used in programming to repeat a block of code a specific number of times. It is commonly used when you know exactly how many times you want a task to run. A for loop usually includes three main parts: initialization, condition, and increment discrement. Together, this part control how the loop starts, when it should continue running, and how it progresses. Function for loop. The function of a for loop is to repeatedly execute a block of code a specific number of times. It automates repetition by controlling the starting point, ending point, and step value of the loop. This makes it useful for tasks that require counting, iterating through lists or arrays, performing calculations repeatedly, and processing data in sequence. The for loops help make programs more efficient, shorter, and managed by removing the need for manually writing repeatedly code. Syntax for loop. The syntax of a for loop shows how the loop is written in a programming language. A typical for loop contains three essential parts inside the parentheses. Number 1. Initialization sets the starting value of a counter variable. Number 2. Condition determines how long the loop will run. The loop continues as long as the condition is true. Number 3. Decrement updates the counter variable after each loop cycle. General syntax common in language like C, Java, and JavaScript. For initialization, condition, increment, decrement code to be repeatedly. And this is the reference. This is the example of for loop. Public class example for loop. Public static void main string arg for int I equals equal equals 1 I equals 5 15 I plus plus. System dot out dot print ln number plus I Ita-try natin i-run. Ayan, sumakses. Tapos, the second is while. A while loop is a control structure used in programming to repeat a block of code as long as a specified condition is true. It is useful when the number of a repetition is non-known in advance and depends on a condition that changes during the program. Function of while loops. A while loop is a control structure used in programming to repeatedly execute a block of code as long as a specified condition remains true. It checks the condition before each iteration. If the condition is true, the loop runs. If it becomes false, the loops stop. Syntax of while loops. The syntax of a while loop defines how the loop is written in a programming language. A while loop begins with the keyword while, followed by a condition enclosed in parentheses or its language equivalent. As long as the condition remains true, the statement inside the loop's code block will continue to run. When the condition becomes false, the loop stops. General syntax while condition statements. Key points about syntax. The condition is evaluated before each iteration. The code block loop body must be properly intended or enclosed. E.g brace in language like C, Java, C++. The loop requires a statement inside the body that eventually makes the condition false to avoid an infinite loop. While loops are commonly used when the number or iteration is not known in advance. And this is the reference. And this is the example of while loop. Public class while loop, public static void main string arg int counter equals 1 while counter equals 5. System out dot print ln number plus counter counter plus plus. Try nating i-run. And the third we will discuss is do-while loop. A do-while loop is a programming control instructor that executes a block of code first and then checks a condition to divide whether the loop should continue. This makes it different from a regular while loop, which tests the condition before running the code. Because the condition is evaluated after the code executes, a do-while loop guarantees that the statement inside the loop run at least once. This type of loop is commonly used in situations where user input menus or repeat, re- repeated action must happen before any condition is checked. Function do-while loop. The function of a do-while loop is to repeatedly execute a block of code at least once and then continue running the loop as long as a specified condition remains true. Unlike a traditional while loop, which checks the condition before executing the code, a do-while loop checks the condition after the code block runs. This ensures that the loop statement executes one time no matter what, making it useful for tasks such as user input, validation, menu-driven programs, and process where the first action most occur before any checking. Syntax do-while loop. The do-while loop followed a structure when the code block execute first and then the loop condition is checked. Its general syntax is do statement to execute while condition, and this is the reference. And this is the example of do while loop. Public class do while loop. Public static void main string arg. Int number equals 1, do system dot out dot print ln number plus number. Number plus plus while number equals 10